Hey crypto fam, are you ready to learn a killer Ethereum arbitrage strategy? Today we're exploring a unique opportunity that involves a lesser known exchange called Qoenex. If you haven't checked it out yet, Qoenex is making waves with some interesting price gaps that smart traders like us can exploit. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use these gaps to your advantage with Ethereum. ETH, let's dive in. First things first, let's talk numbers. At the moment, ETH is trading around 10% higher on Qoenex than on Bybit. Yes, you heard that right, a 10% price difference. For those who have been in the game long enough, you know that this kind of opportunity doesn't come around often. So what does that mean for us? It means there's a solid window for arbitrage, where we can buy low on one exchange and sell high on another. Let's go step by step on how to make this work. Step 1 is simple. We buy Ethereum, ETH on Bybit, where the price is currently more favorable. This is a no-brainer. Buy low to maximize your profit margin. Once our ETH is securely in our Bybit wallet, the next move is to transfer it over to Qoenex. Remember to choose the appropriate network for the transfer and always double-check the fees. Even small costs can add up when you're playing with tighter margins. Once the ETH arrives in our Qoenex wallet, it's time to execute the sell. We sell the ETH at the higher Qoenex price and convert it into USDT, instantly capturing the profit from the price gap. This step is crucial. Converting to USDT locks in the gains from the arbitrage without exposing us to further ETH price volatility. But that's not the end of the story. To complete this arbitrage cycle, we need to transfer our USDT back to Bybit. Here's where you can really optimize. Use the TRC20 network for transferring USDT. Why? Because it's super fast and incredibly cheap. Low fees mean more of that hard-earned profit stays in your pocket, and that's exactly what we want to achieve. Now, a few quick tips for you. Timing is key in arbitrage. You've got to be quick, because these price differences can close in a heartbeat. Also, always keep an eye on the market volatility and be prepared for any delays in network transfers. Remember, the devil is in the details, so stay sharp. And there you have it, a step-by-step Ethereum arbitrage strategy using the Qoenex and Bybit price difference. We bought low on Bybit, sold high on Qoenex, and transferred back efficiently using TRC20. This is how you turn market inefficiencies into real gains. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies, and until next time, keep hustling and stay in the game.